For each email you read, you earn $2. If you read 5 emails, you earn $5. As you can see, people are making up to $120 simply by reading emails. There are many people from different countries like India, United States, Nigeria, Kenya, and many other countries withdrawing from $10, $15, and many people are making up to $156 from this website by simply reading emails. So here you can get paid for reading emails from any country around the world. All what you have to do is just to open the email, read it, and then click on this button where they tell you to confirm this paid email, and then your account will be created with 65 cents, $1, and even sometimes up to $2. Today I'm going to show you two websites for making money online by reading emails, and the second website is my favorite because that's where you're going to be paid the most amount of money per each email that you read. But before I go to that, my name is Nasul, currently a student. I do make money online for a living from different side hustles. I always upload a video after every 2 days, so please you can subscribe for regular money making opportunities. With the first website, you can make money online after completing these 3 important steps. The first step, you need to sign up for a free account, and the second step, you need to open these emails and read them. And the third step is the most important one, and that is how to withdraw the money and what is the minimum amount of money you need for you to activate a withdraw. So in order to earn money on this website, you need to have these 2 things ready. First, you must have a PayPal account, and for those who don't have a PayPal account, I will show you a solution to that. But for those who have a PayPal account, for now, what you are going to do, you need to first sign up for a free account by clicking this sign up button right here. So for the start, you can create an individual account, and once you receive your first payment, your account will be automatically converted into a business account. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account in your country, you can still withdraw the money in form of different gift cards that are available on the website. The second thing that you must have is an email account. You can use Gmail, and if you don't have Gmail, you can still create a free Yahoo account and use that to receive emails. Now, the name of the website is called quickpaysurvey.com, and the most interesting in this website is that you can still make money wherever you are. It works worldwide. As you can see, they clearly state here that you can earn money by simply reading emails. You receive daily emails in your inbox, and you can get paid each time you confirm reading that email. And the best thing here is that you are given a $3 sign-up bonus once your account is activated on this website. So now just come to the top of this website and create an account completely for free. And pay close attention because the registration process is a little bit complicated. You need to select your gender and then create your username. Then after that, you set a strong password. Then you need to retype that very password, and then you click on this button where they tell you to sign me up. Always check that I have read the terms and conditions, and then click I'm not a robot, and then click on that button where they tell you to sign you up, and then you'll be logged into your account. This is how your dashboard will look like, and as you can see, you have already been credited with $3 as a sign-up bonus. And if you want to see your account balance, you can always move to the right-hand corner and then click on the stats, and that's how you can access your account and see the amount of money that you have already. The best thing with this website is that you can use it on your smartphone, your laptop, or even your computer. But today you want to make money online by simply reading emails. So what we are going to do, we're just going to click on earn more by reading emails button right here, and that's going to take you to a new page where you can see all the email accounts that you have received in your Gmail that you are supposed to read and then get paid. And because this is a brand new account, it's showing us that our inbox is empty. But if you have to check back later in 1 hour's time, trust me, you shall find there a lot of emails that you are supposed to read and then get paid. As we are waiting for those emails to be sent into our inbox, let us first see the minimum amount of money that you need on this website for you to activate a withdraw. As you can see here, you only need $15 for you to activate a withdraw. And remember, you have already received the $3 in the sign-up process, so you only need $12 to add up to the $3 and make $15 so that you can activate a withdraw. But you can easily make this amount of money if you are consistent on reading these emails, because reading these emails ranges from 65 cents to up to $2. So you can make a simple calculation on how many emails you need for you to get $12. So another option that you can go about this is that you can click on my account and then click points. If you have points there already, you can redeem them into real cash and then you make your withdraw. As you can see, mine is a brand new account. I don't have any points yet. But if you are consistent with this one, you can easily make a lot of points and then redeem them into real cash. As we wait for those emails, let us first go to our second website, which I told you earlier is my favorite because you can get paid more money per each email that you read on this website. With the second website, you can easily get paid for reading emails, and the most important thing here is that you only need 20 cents for you to activate a withdraw, which is pretty cool. And if you want, you can see the payment proofs here by simply going to the payment proofs, and you see a lot of people who are making a lot of money from $10, $15, even some people are making up to $120 from different countries around the world. The website is called Voltic, but before you head there's something more important that you need to know during the sign up process. But before I reveal that in a minute, there's something more important that I need to show you right here. The first thing that I want you to do is to register yourself, and you will do that by clicking on this register button right here. And after clicking on that button will take you to a new page where you can create your username, enter your email address, create a strong password, and after that you'll have to tick on those two boxes where they tell you that I have read the privacy policies and all that, then activate that you're not a robot, and then click on the register button right there. And then Voltic will send you an activation link to your email, and all you have to do with this link is just to click on it and it will take you to a new page. Now this is where I was telling you to pay close attention to, and that is the sign up code. You will always receive this code, and that is the code that you're going to be using during the sign up process. So once you have input that code, you always see that message where they'll tell you operation successful. And once you see that message, that's when you can clarify that your account is fully functional and operational. And then you can click on return to home page and log into your account, and this is how your dashboard will look like. Now the most important thing here is that Voltic will send you a second email regarding on how you can get paid for each email that you read after completing these 3 important steps. The first step is that you will start receiving these emails from Voltic, and all what you have to do is to click on the promotional link inside. After clicking on that promotional link, it will take 20 to 30 seconds for it to complete, and once it is complete, that's when you'll be credited with the money into your Voltic account. I tested 15 apps that pay real cash, and if you're interested in knowing them, I have made a video right here, so you can go and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe, because I always release a new video after every 2 days. So thank you for watching. See you in today's time.